everyone's problem.
Urgent.
I guess concern first came to my mind.
Disappointed.
I chose worried because I think without acting now on climate change, that's going to be such a big problem that it's going to be irreversible.
I think the number one word that comes to mind really is urgent.
I think that if everyone could realize it's an issue that affects all of us, we could all maybe play our own part into it and make an impact.
I think my biggest concern about it is that the only way to fix it is to have a collective effort where everyone is involved and plays their role.
I really didn't know how business and climate change can cross each other. I didn't even think there was any connections.
The Climate Ideation Clinic is so important because it gives students a voice of, hey, I don't have this big role within a company yet, but they're listening to my ideas and they're getting a new perspective.
Looks like Group 1 is our winner. Congratulations, Group 1.
I think the number one thing that really stood out to me was at the very end, we just got to vote on the best ideas as a collective.
Usually when I think of climate change and how companies and corporations play a role, I usually think of manufacturing companies or automakers or just really resource intensive companies.
For EY to give us the space to talk about the things that can sometimes be uncomfortable to talk about. I thought that was awesome. After the clinic, I wrote Inspired. It was really inspirational to see a lot of people holding the same values as me.
And after the clinic, I definitely feel more prepared. I feel like I've learned a lot about climate change and what's going on.
I definitely felt encouraged just because it's always good to talk to people who have similar concerns.